Well, in this little clip I'm going to show you how I glue up my rings. Obviously I've already cut these segments. 16 segments to a ring. So 16 segments there ready, and I've got a largest Jubilee clip here as well. Jubilee clip, purchased from Fixington Screws in Swansea. All different sizes. This one as well, quite a big one. Right, now the thing I do, as I explained earlier on, it's a moisture cured glue. So I've got myself a sponge here with some water on it, just a damp sponge, and I just dab the segments onto the sponge. And then just a double glue in the middle. I just put glue on one side as I work my way around the ring, but unglued to glued as I go around the ring. And there we go. So 16 segments here. This is just a small ring. There we go, nearly there. Last one. Put the lid back on the glue because otherwise it will foam away in the bottle. Right, there we go. Now with these Jubilee clips, I find that if I try and get the point where two segments meet in the middle of the screw bit, otherwise what I found is that the end of it can push the segment in slightly. So as we tighten it up, make sure all the segments are going in there nicely, all in their right place. Alright, don't need to over tighten it. What I'll do then, I just put it in between a bit of plastic, and then if I can just move the camera, I've got my clamp here that I made. Or my ring press, I should say. So I just wind the handle down, wind it down. This just makes sure all the segments in the ring are nice and flat when the glue is cured. Because the foaming glue, it can tend to push things apart a bit. So I put it in my press. Hey presto, it's nice and flat in there. As I'll show you my ring press from a bit further back. Oh, wrong way. As you can see, it's just a metal frame made from angle iron. Angle iron, well, angle iron at the bottom, angle iron square at the bottom, angle iron square at the top. A couple of pieces of angle iron going across the top for the threaded rod to go through, and a big nut welded in the middle of those two. Wait a minute. Yeah, big nut welded in the middle of those two for the threaded rod to go through. Make sure it's nice and straight. And then the threaded rod is connected to a bearing at the bottom here, which is bolted to this piece of old kitchen worktop. So as you turn the handle, it goes up and down. I'd make sure it's a nice snug fit in the frame to stop it wobbling, because if it wobbles a little bit as you're putting it down, it can push things out of alignment if you're gluing rings together. So I just put a few packing pieces in, just to make sure that it's nice and snug in the frame, and it does the job really well.